In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to combo in Ability Wars. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to acquire the combo ability in Ability Wars. As you can see here in the lobby, when you go over, you will be able to find combo in one of these pedestals. The combo ability can be acquired by getting the 100 badge. So I'm gonna go over all of the necessary steps. The combo ability allows you to perform combos on the target, combining various inputs into a finisher. So, to get the 100 badge, the first requirement is that you get the Devourer of Souls. As you can see, it costs 14,000 punches, so if you still haven't reached this amount, then before you can even get the combo ability, you will have to get Devourer of Souls. So go ahead and look on getting 14,000 punches. After this is done, equip Devourer of Souls, and you will need to devour the souls of 100 enemy players. Once you get 100 souls devoured, and this cannot be done on a private server, you will get the 100 badge and consequently combo. Then you can go over here to this pedestal and get the combo ability from it. So the only requirement for it is the 100 badge, which you can get by devouring 100 souls with Devourer of Souls, which costs 14,000 punches. So after you get to this number, you get 100 souls devoured, and you get that specific badge, you will be able to get combo. It is simple to do overall, but of course it takes a lot of time. So even though the requirements are very straightforward, just get this amount of souls, this amount of punches, you will need to spend a lot of time getting those. There are strategies that you can put into place, but because it cannot be done in a private server, it might take a while for you to get everything done and set up. I hope I was able to help you on how to combo in Ability Wars. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.